This is part 8 of our free Facebook Ads Masterclass for beginners. In this training, you will know when to use different campaign objectives to maximize your profits and reducing your ads costs. I will teach you step by step on how to be an expert on Facebook advertising without spending too much. It will be divided into three categories or three training: the FB Ads Masterclass for beginners, the FB Ads Advanced Masterclass, and the highlights, which is, I call it like a bomb, which is the FB Ads Masterclass for expert level. I will reveal the hidden secret strategy used by different entrepreneurs who are very successful in launching an FB ads. Just click the subscribe button on our YouTube channel and follow and like our Facebook page so you will be updated for all of our video trainings. Today I'm going to discuss in-depth tutorial of Facebook campaign of the marketing objectives. I already explained from the previous video training about what is Facebook campaign, ad set, and ad. So just check the link from the description. Let's go and start how you can use the marketing objective perfectly. Sign in to your business manager account. Okay, we'll go back to home. This page. Click here. Go to Ads Manager. You can see this green button, which is just click create. On this side, you can see the campaign, ad set, and ad. But since this is new business manager account, you can see the ad account. It says create new. So when you set up a new business manager account, you can immediately create your ad account. But since this is a dummy, I didn't create the ad account. Here you will set your goals or what do you want to achieve. If you want brand awareness of your products, do you want more reach? Do you want more traffic to your website? Do you want engagement for your Facebook and Instagram? Are you also want to increase your apps install? Or are you looking for more video views? Or set up a lead generation campaign? You can use this one. Or do you want your customer to directly send you a message for your products and services using this message campaign? If you're selling a product or courses, maybe membership conversion campaign is mostly used. You can also use catalog sales, but it's seldom used, and I think it's on a higher level. Let's proceed to the first category, which is the awareness. Because awareness and reach. So what's the difference between brand awareness and reach? You can use the brand awareness. By the way, you can hover this one, and this will give a description about these different campaign objectives. Going back to brand awareness, you can use the brand awareness if you want the people to pay attention to your brand. For example, you launch a new t-shirt brand, a t-shirt company. You can launch an ads targeting people that show interest from the other brand like Champion, Nike, T-shirt, Adidas, Dickies. Facebook will bring your ad to people who is likely will pay attention to your brand. It is not commonly used, but some still use it for a very specific usage only. So what about reach? Reach objective is really good in showing your ads in front of a lot of people on Facebook. Reach is very amazing because you can put your ads to a lot of people, but you can limit the times they will see your ads. So people won't be irritated to your ads that they see it every day. For example, you can limit your ads not more than twice a week. Tell Facebook that don't show my ads to the same person twice a week. Reach is really good in placing your ads to targeted people. Don't you know that you can use reach rather than conversion? Now, reach objective is mostly misunderstood in conversion campaign. A lot of advertisers use conversion to target people who already purchased from you, but Facebook will charge you expensive. Your ads will be expensive. So you can use reach. Reach is also perfect for targeting people who already purchased from your store, and Facebook will only charge you cheap for your ads. That's the difference. So if you are you have a list of targeted people who already purchased for your store, why don't you use reach rather than conversion, right? You can do um, a test for conversion and reach. Now let's proceed to consideration category, the most commonly used in marketing objective. Traffic is the most important method used in marketing objective. It drives people to your website. If you have an online store or a Shopify store, for example, and everything is set up like the Facebook pixel and everything, but you don't have a data for your pixel, then you can use traffic to feed your pixel and bring customer or a lot of people into your website. So you drive traffic to your new website using these traffic objectives. For me, it is better to launch engagement objective first before using traffic objectives. So traffic, I don't have any information that I can give you with the traffic objective because obviously let's bring traffic to your website, especially if you don't have any visitor to your site and you need to feed your pixel a lot of information. Let's proceed to engagement. Engagement is the most important to use on getting social groups. There are three parts of engagement: the post engagement, the page likes, and event responses. You can use post engagement if you want people to like your post, comment, and share. The other form of engagement is the page likes. Like the post engagement, you want people to like your page. A lot of people had a mentality that if this page has thousands of page like, they are curious, and it also shows that you are legit. Many of us, even me, before I purchase online, I always check if they have a page, and I read content and comments. My page is new and I do not launch any ads first because I want to feed my page with a lot of niche training. Creating good content first before launching an FB ads. So for event responses, if you want people to engage to your event, for example, if you have a grand opening of your store, doing this engagement ads makes people pay attention to your ads, especially if many already engage in your ads, and make your event seems popular, and will make people curious about your event, and they will say, let's check it out, let's go there, and let's see how how good the event is, the food or the place, anything like that. Let's proceed to video views. I skipped app install because it's not widely used. Video ads is so powerful nowadays. It's really catch audience attention. Use these ads to increase video views. I will teach you on our future training on how you can use your video content to build rapport to people and use those posts for your video views. Lead generation campaign is very powerful in collecting information or leads from people that are interested in your product. Lead generation is also good if you want to give something for free in exchange of their information. Some people call it offer ads. It is good for giving discounts from your store. I will show you how to do it exactly, so better subscribe and follow our page and you will be updated for our future video trainings. In this campaign, you can create custom audience of people who didn't sign up to your lead but click or open your ads. Then you can create another ad offering them another discount. Another is that from the email list of information that you collected, you can create custom audience and lookalike audience. I hope you understand what I'm saying, connecting those pieces of information that I have discussed from the previous videos. I put the links of the previous video training on the description if you missed something. So let's talk about the message marketing objective. I always use this in my business, but before I have only limited knowledge about FB ads. It cost me 3,000 plus pesos for just learning. I did 4 videos of introductory Facebook ads for beginners. But now, I'm giving you all for free step by step. Some people would like to ask for making a purchase. For example, do you have a vegan? Um, are kids allowed to enter? Are pets allowed? Something like that. Traffic and conversion has an option for messaging, but the messaging campaign objective will open to a page messenger. You can see those ads with a call to action button like send message. I will show that when we create the actual ads. Guys, I'm going to teach you messenger bot and ManyChat course absolutely free. Let's talk about conversion marketing objective. Let's say you have enough data of your pixel. You can choose people who purchase from your store, people who add to cart, who search something in your website, who add payment info in your site. Facebook knows every detail in your website. You create conversion ads only for those people based on the activity they do in your website. The most powerful usage of conversion marketing objective is by optimizing the event purchase. Please do not use conversion marketing objective if you know that your pixel is not smart enough or do not have enough data. Facebook is so smart and FB knows how profitable conversion campaign is and will charge you very expensive for your ads. This is the most expensive marketing objective and should only be used if you have enough data. Let's proceed to catalog sales. It is good if you have Shopify store and it has a lot of different products like t-shirt, pants, shoes, mugs, and it's hard to create ads for each product. What it did is to show the exact product to the customer. If that person didn't purchase just add to cart, then it will exactly show it to the same person who actually view or add that product. You can also do upsell. Based on the browsing history of a person, if they are searching for a drone or a camera, it will also show them a case or any accessories that product needs. I know it sounds confusing, but we will go through that in the future video trainings. So guys, thank you very much for watching and I hope you know the perfect marketing objective for your business.